Welcome back to the C3 Techs channel, where we help businesses stay secure, connected, and confident in the digital world. Each video is designed for real businesses, not just the big guys, with tips on helping you stay secure, avoid downtime, and make sense of today's evolving threats. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest insights from our team. Now, let's get started. It's a normal morning. Coffee in one hand, inbox full. You're trying to clear messages before the next meeting. Then an email pops up from your shipping company. Package delivery failed. Click here to reschedule. Seems harmless, right? You've ordered things recently, so you click. And just like that, without realizing it, you've opened the door. That link didn't lead you to your shipping provider. It led you to a cloned website designed to install malware silently in the background. Now the attacker has what they need: your credentials, your data, maybe even a path into your company's entire network. This is called social engineering, the art of making you trust what you see. Hackers don't have to break through firewalls if they can simply trick a person into letting them in. And they're good at it. They use logos, tones, timing, even urgency. Your account will be suspended. Payment failed. Click to verify. It all works because we move fast. Emails, texts, messages, we click before we think. The good news? You can slow it down. Hover over the link before you click. Double check the sender's address. And if something feels off, it probably is. For businesses, tools like link scanning, email filtering, and employee awareness training are your best defenses, because hackers don't need a password when they already have your attention. Stay cautious, stay curious, and pause before you click. That extra second could save your business. Are you ready to take your inbox to the next level? Contact us today.